Becoming a crypto millionaire is a highly ambitious goal that requires a lot of planning and preparation, but it is not impossible. To help you become a crypto millionaire, we have selected 5 crypto projects that could make you huge gains within the next 2 years. We even believe that a 200x is possible for our last project, so make sure to watch the entire video. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called Injective Protocol. Injective is a decentralized exchange that offers cross-chain margin trading, derivatives, and forex futures trading. Unlike other popular decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or Bancor, Injective does not use an automated market maker formula to manage liquidity. Instead, it follows the order book model widely used for years across centralized stock and crypto exchanges. This way, Injective aims to match the efficiency of traditional finance with the transparency of decentralized exchanges. Instead of paying network gas fees to execute each transaction, Injective traders only pay standard market maker and taker fees using Injective coins. Injective coins also serve as the platform's governance token and staking mechanism to power Injective's proof of stake-based blockchain. Injective Protocol comprises several components that support the functionality and development of its decentralized exchange. The Injective chain is a decentralized exchange built on Cosmos that allows for the transferring and trading of Ethereum tokens. This chain aims to address the scaling and throughput limitations experienced by many Layer 1 blockchains, while still allowing developers to use the Ethereum development kits they are familiar with. Injective Hub is the dashboard that provides users with an overview and functionality to make the most of the Injective protocol. Users can access the Injective Hub to stake their Injective and become network validators tasked with upholding the security of the proof-of-stake blockchain. Injective holders can also choose to delegate their tokens to network validators and earn a percentage of their rewards in return. Injective has done a fantastic job at revolutionizing the way decentralization and scalability are achieved in the blockchain space. Furthermore, the team's commitment to innovation and their willingness to continuously improve their platform, combined with their strong partnerships, put them in a great position to succeed in the long term. Injective currently has a market cap of 1.3 billion. A market cap of 40 billion is doable in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 31x from here. Our second project we would like to highlight is Pendle Finance. Pendle is a fascinating project that offers a fresh perspective on yield optimization in the DeFi space. The protocol is designed to enable users to trade tokenized future yield of DeFi assets, which creates a new market for yield exposure that was previously unattainable. This new market will provide users with access to yield that they would have otherwise not had access to, as well as create new investment opportunities for yield-seeking investors. The use of yield tokens is at the core of Pendle's functionality. Yield tokens represent a future stream of yield from a specific DeFi asset, such as a liquidity pool token or a lending token. These tokens can be traded on secondary markets, allowing users to buy and sell future yield exposure to these assets. One of the key advantages of the Pendle protocol is its ability to create customizable yield structures tailored to the specific needs of users. This feature allows users to enjoy dynamic or step functions, which is a key advantage of the protocol. Additionally, Pendle features a unique staking mechanism where users can stake their Pendle tokens to earn rewards for providing liquidity to yield token markets. By incentivizing users to provide liquidity, the protocol ensures an increase in liquidity, which helps to maintain stable prices for yield tokens. The staking mechanism is an excellent way to encourage users to provide liquidity, and this can have a positive impact on the overall stability of the protocol. In conclusion, Pendle is an ambitious project that offers a fresh perspective on yield optimization in the DeFi space. The innovative use of yield tokens and customizable yield structures, as well as its staking mechanism, make it an attractive project for DeFi users. With these features, Pendle is well positioned to become a leading protocol for yield optimization in the DeFi space. Pendle currently has a market cap of 250 million. We believe that a market cap of 10 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 40x from here. As our third project, we would like to highlight Render Token. Render Token is designed to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry. Leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Render provides an efficient and secure way for creators to access the powerful computers needed for complex rendering tasks. Essentially, anyone can join the Render network and create or rent out computational resources to speed up the rendering process. Render acts as a bridge between creatives and render nodes, a distributed network of powerful computers, allowing them to work together harmoniously and make rendering faster, easier, and more secure. Render also facilitates the crowdsourcing of 3D projects and digital asset trading, creating an ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas accessible to all. Render Token's GPU-powered renders are not limited to film production. They are also applicable for video game design, VR experiences, and beyond, empowering the entire media sector to produce high-quality visuals in a fraction of the time. In addition to incentivizing people to join the network, Render Tokens can also be used to purchase computing resources within the Render network. By contributing their computing resources and purchasing additional resources with Render Tokens, users are rewarded for their participation. This token reward system not only helps to benefit creators and render nodes, but also incentivizes users to hold onto their tokens as their value increases with increased demand. As such, this system is designed to not only promote a healthy and prosperous render network, but also to encourage users to invest in and participate in the growth of the network, helping to drive success for all involved. Overall, Render creates an ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas accessible to all, empowering the entire media sector to produce high-quality visuals in a fraction of the time. With its efficient and secure platform, Render is well positioned to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry and AI space. Render currently has a market cap of 1.2 billion. Render is a unique AI project, and we think that a market cap of 50 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a 42x from here. Our fourth project we would like to highlight is Casper. Casper is an instant confirmation transaction layer built on a proof-of-work engine that is both fast and scalable. Transactions sent to miners can be added to the ledger immediately and are structured in a revolutionary block DAG. Based on the Ghost DAG protocol, Casper is a scalable generalization of the Nakamoto consensus. Its design follows the principles of Bitcoin with proof-of-work mining, a deflationary monetary policy, no pre-mine, and no central governance. Casper is unique in its ability to support high block rates while maintaining the level of security offered by the most secure proof-of-work environments. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, Casper does not suffer from a security, scalability, decentralization trade-off. This is because decentralized cryptocurrencies limit their block creation rate in order to limit orphans, which are off-chain blocks created during the time it takes for a latent block to be propagated across the network. Casper's consensus layer uses Ghost DAG, a proof-of-work consensus protocol that generalizes Nakamoto's chain into a directed acyclic graph of blocks to solve this trade-off. This results in a cryptocurrency that is supported by 51% security with a high number of miners and nodes and has throughput on the order of 1 block per second. Casper's consensus layer also supports fast confirmations, enabling use cases that require immediate proof of publication, such as e-commerce. This is in contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies, which have slow block rates that result in slow confirmations. Slow block rates also result in high variance of mining income, incentivizing miners to join larger mining pools. Casper's fast block rate decreases the variance of mining income, which decreases the incentive to join mining pools contributing to mining decentralization. In summary, Casper is a promising blockchain project that offers a revolutionary solution to the scalability problem of decentralized cryptocurrencies. Its innovative technology, based on the GhostDAG protocol, allows for high block rates and fast confirmations without compromising security or decentralization. This makes Casper an ideal platform for a wide range of use cases, including e-commerce and DeFi. Casper currently has a market cap of 2.5 billion. With the big-brained people behind Casper, a market cap of at least 100 billion is not crazy to think of in the next bull run. That is a nice 40x from here. As our final and smaller project of this video, we present you games for a living. GFile is an innovative solution designed to provide the necessary tools for the construction of high-quality games. These tools are seamlessly integrated into the blockchain, leveraging the boundless potential of this technology. This integration simplifies the process of game development, debugging, deployment, and launch, thereby maximizing the potential for success. By making these processes more accessible, GFile aims to stimulate interest in the development of Web3 games, which represent the next frontier in gaming. The GFile chain is a blockchain solution that was custom developed by GFile with the specific needs of the gaming industry in mind. The GFile chain was created to generate a robust blockchain ecosystem capable of handling the enormous data flow required for gaming transactions. This custom-built blockchain will address the significant challenges that conventional blockchains present to the gaming industry. These challenges include scalability, security, and the high costs associated with implementing blockchain technology. Transactions conducted through the GFile chain are secured using advanced cryptographic techniques and consensus algorithms. These measures ensure that transactions are conducted directly between parties, eliminating the need for intermediaries. The GFile chain not only enables developers to create and publish their games, but also provides players with a secure and free platform to play and interact. Furthermore, the blockchain offers a broad range of options for monetizing games, providing developers with innovative ways to generate revenue. Games for a Living currently has a market cap of 50 million. We think that a market cap of 10 billion is doable in a bull run. That is a crazy 200x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.